Dinosaur, a journey of bravery and unity in a prehistoric world. In a lush and untamed prehistoric world, Aladar, an iguanodon, is raised by a family of lemurs after being separated from his dinosaur herd. Aladar grows up with a strong sense of empathy and community, embracing the lemur way of life. One day, a massive meteor shower devastates their home, forcing Aladar and the lemurs to embark on a treacherous journey to find a safer habitat. Along the way, they encounter a diverse group of dinosaurs from various species, all facing the same struggle for survival. Initially met with skepticism by the other dinosaurs due to his different nature, Aladar's compassion and determination win their respect. With his positive outlook and ability to unite the group, Aladar becomes a symbol of hope and strength. During their journey, Aladar forms a close bond with a kind and wise elderly dinosaur named Yar, who imparts valuable life lessons about courage, resilience, and the importance of standing together. As they face numerous challenges and natural dangers, the group must confront the treacherous Carnotaurus, a fearsome predator hunting them down. Aladar's leadership and quick thinking become crucial in outwitting their enemy and ensuring everyone's safety. Through their shared experiences, the dinosaurs learn the value of cooperation, understanding, and the strength that comes from diversity. They come to realize that by standing united, they can overcome any obstacle and create a better world for all. In the final confrontation with the Carnotaurus, Aladar's selflessness and bravery shine, leading the dinosaurs to victory. The journey not only brings them to a new lush valley, but it also creates a close-knit community where different species coexist harmoniously. The story of Dinosaur serves as a timeless reminder of the importance of compassion, unity, and acceptance, regardless of our differences. It showcases the power of friendship and the strength that comes from embracing diversity in a world full of challenges.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it educational and fun. If so, please hit the like button below to show your support. And don't forget to check out some of our other videos by clicking on the screen now. Thanks, and we look forward to bringing you more stories soon. Have a great day.